Tonight I'm making a double batch of cowboy stew, one for my family for tonight and another for a freezer meal. All right, this is 2 pounds of ground beef, so I'm gonna put half into each of my pots. And I also cooked an onion in this also. A can of baked beans for each of these. I like this one.
What?
That's not working very well.
Ah, get wrecked. Where's my little thing here?
See, this is how I get you to help with dinner. A can of corn for each one, liquid and all. I would do a couple diced potatoes in each one. I just had some potatoes in my freezer, so I'm gonna do half in each one. I'm also gonna add a couple cloves of garlic to each one. This frozen garlic is like all stuck together. Something like that. You're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes. I have some tomatoes in my freezer I'm using up, so this is probably about equivalent to 1 can. Next, I'm just taking some already fully cooked bacon and dicing it up and putting it in each one. Next, I'm cutting up a beef smoked sausage for each one. I would add just a can of green chilies, but I just have tomatoes with green chili, so I'm gonna add a can of each of those. All right, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of flour to each one. Oh, I just got flour on me. I'm not looking. 1½ teaspoons of salt in each one. All right, ½ a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of chili powder in each one. All right, this one's gonna get mixed up and put in a Ziploc for my freezer. All right, then I'm gonna add a cup of water to each one. This one's going to get mixed up and put in a Ziploc for my freezer. And this one I'm gonna cook right now. And this one is basically, it's just gonna get heated up and then simmered for like an hour. Basically till your potatoes are all the way cooked through. All right, and from here, we're literally just heating this up and simmering it till the potatoes are all the way cooked through. I would say about an hour. All right, my family already dished up, but here it is all done.
Can I just say, like, first things first, like, I would not, like, dive into this, except I know how super delicious this is. Notch, quality, top notch, I'm telling you.
So if you didn't catch what my husband said, he said this doesn't look super appetizing, but it's absolutely delicious. It was so hot I can't even eat it yet.